Okay, so for everyone who has ordered the Two Trees TT-50 laser engraver and wondered what they're going to get for their money, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'll just preface this by saying I don't do these types of videos. I just want people to see it because a lot of people wonder what they're going to get for their money. So let's go ahead and open this up. Turn it this way so you can get a little bit better view. And here's what we have. We have a product manual. User setup guide. Looks like a contents, packing list. Piece of cardboard to keep everything out of the way. Let's see here. Some acrylic cut pieces. Guessing that's, there's the part for the stepper motor. USB cable. Nothing surprising so far, which is good. I thought these were T-nuts. Maybe some variant of. Let's see here. I think this is going to be a power supply. Yep. Bet you this is the motherboard. Sure enough, motherboard. Stepper motor. Stepper motor. And a stepper motor. Okay. This has to be just a miscellaneous bag of T-nuts, screws, washers, the laser. Question is it actually the 5.5 watts that they say that this unit is? Don't know. Glasses that everybody says you shouldn't wear. Well, let me correct that. You shouldn't wear these glasses. You should wear safety glasses for the type of laser that you have. Bag of tools. Looks like an SD card in there. Wire tie downs. Zip ties. And rails. So yeah, looks like for the money. In this case, I got it for under $100. Took about a week and a half to get here. Without assembling it or even trying it, I can say if you just want an entry-level engraver that you want to mess around with for less than $100, why not? Thanks.